What do toy bowls, tiny fingers, and future life skills have in common? This fun twist and turn task has the answer. Let's build tool control and real world hand skills one rotation at a time. Rotating and aligning objects builds tool control and prepares your child for real world tasks like fastening, building, and turning knobs. Give your child a toy bolt or screwdriver. Ask them to align the tip with the slot, then rotate using fingers and wrist, keeping the object in one hand as much as possible. Start with oversized nuts and bolts for easier gripping. Use color-coded matching if alignment is hard. Make it harder by using smaller tools, adding a time challenge, or switching hands for the rotation task. Use soft plastic or foam threaded toys for kids sensitive to textures or pressure. You can also wrap handles for better grip. This is a fantastic pre-vocational and school readiness task, helping kids prep for tool use, dressing, and independence. Kids need this motion every day, whether opening bottles, twisting caps, or using tools during play and chores. From toy bowls to toothpaste caps, every twist helps your child become more confident and independent. Keep those hands moving.